One of the greatest problems of Nigeria is Igbos. I cannot hate Igbo. Can't hate myself. The name of my chieftaincy is Igbo. The founder is an Igbo man. I owe nobody any apology. I married an Igbo woman from Wokono in Ohafia. She's an Etika. My great-grandmother, Nebu, is an Igbo woman in India. Gave my father Uzodinma. And my father gave me that name, Uzodinma and Melford, which were his name. And today, as God will have it, I am a Diabali, a man from Obom Nabam. I am not wanting to be Igbo. No, I am an Igbo man. I only know that I have Igbo DNA in me. I'm an Igbo man. I have Igbo DNA in me.
Good afternoon. That was Asari Dokubo. He doesn't need any introduction. But should I say that Asari Dokubo is confused? Or should I say that he is normal? You heard him. He said he is Igbo, but he has Igbo DNA. Later he said he is Igbo. Can't you see that he is confused? He has been attacking Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the Igbos. He will still come back to eat his vomit. In the later part of this video, you will hear him talking about Yahaya Bello and Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That is to tell you that this man is confused. Just listen to him.
Now, when I was talking, I said one of the greatest problems of Nigeria is Igbos. See, nobody hates. I cannot hate Igbo. Can't hate myself. Even the Etabali. The name of my chieftaincy is Igbo. The founder is an Igbo man. I owe nobody any apology. I married an Igbo woman from Wokono in Ohafia. She's an Etika. I owe nobody any apology. My great-grandmother, Nebu, is an Igbo woman in India. Gave my father Uzodinma. And my father gave me that name, Uzodinma and Melford, which were his name. I owe you no apology. And today, as God will have it, I am a Diabali, a man from Obom in Abam, who created this chieftaincy around 1782 or 18 something about. We are doing proper historical research. I owe you no apology. So don't bother your head. You can call me any name. I don't give a damn. I owe you no apology. I am not wanting to be Igbo. No. I am an Igbo man. I only know that I have Igbo DNA in me. I am an Igbo man. I have Igbo DNA in me. So I owe you no apology. I don't need to please you. You can do nothing for me. And there's nothing you can do against me. If you are my brother, you are my brother. I have many Igbo people. 99% of my business partners are Igbos. And they will tell you our relationship. I have a lot of Igbo friends and Igbo brothers in whose family they take me as part of that family. I owe you no apology. So keep your bitterness that destroys the image of the Igbos, that destroy the name of the Igbos, that tarnishes us. Keep your bitterness to yourself. Keep your 419 to yourself. Keep your drug dealing to yourself. Keep your ritualist to yourself. Rituals to yourself. Keep your bogey to yourself. Keep your scam to yourself. I am an Igbo man, but I don't do that. I am not an Igbo like you. I am not desperate. I am not desperate. And that's why all these years, arrest, this, that, I know I've never had a conviction. Because my book is open to the whole world to see. I have nothing to hide. Nothing to hide. Accusation, counter accusation, because even in my community, I tell the truth. In everything, even my enemies, when they are in trouble, and they want somebody to tell the truth. They say, if Alaji dey with us now, if to say we fit go meet Alaji, if for stand for us now. They don't even need to meet me. Once I hear that somebody is oppressed, I run forward to defend them. There are people who abuse me in every opportunity there. Every advantage they have is to abuse me, is to malign me. When they're in trouble, they call me. I go extra, even at the risk of my life and livelihood, to stand with them. That is me. So, I don't give a damn. I have no apology to give to you because you are Igbo, you feel you are more Igbo than me. Okay, better for you. I'm not dragging Igbo with you. But I know I have Igbo blood in me. And I have Igbo DNA. So, that is your business. And there's nothing you can do about it. Because I have no apology for you, I will continue to be on top of you in everything. When I told Nnamdi Kanu, I will smoke him out. Did I not smoke him out? So if I'm on a wheelchair today, did I not smoke him out? There are people all over the world, big men, great men who are in wheelchair. Today, I saw the Awojela of Ijebu celebrating his 90th birthday. He's on wheelchair. A stretcher car is even made for him. Does that remove anything from him? That is very close home. I am 60 years old. I can't wait. 1st of June. 1st of June. So what is wrong if I'm on a wheelchair? How many people live up to be 60 with the sort of life that I've gone through? Having said that, I also heard that as I was not around, my friend Yahaya Bello was being hunted by the EFCC on accusation of stealing 80 billion. I really don't know the truth of that matter. And I cannot say whether it is true that Yahaya Bello stole 80 billion. But I want to ask, if Yahaya Bello stole 80 billion from Kogi State? What will be the condition of Kogi State? But I'm not going to go to that. What I'm going to talk about is this. Mr. President, I am going to come to another topic. There are those in your government, I have said it, who wants you to be incapacitated, who wants you not to complete your tenure, who are already planning openly. Because when a man is planning to take over from you, when you have not spent 1 year, what does he wish you? Either ill health or death. Either ill health or death. Instead of praying for you, sending you best wishes, pronouncing positivity towards you, they are wishing that you should be incapacitated so that they will take over. For that purpose, they start to hunt people who stood firm by you. In the first place, what did these people do for you for them to be in your government? The Supreme Court has decided you won the election free and fair. I was at the court premises almost every day until the appeal was decided. My people were there every day until the Supreme Court decision was made. So Yahaya Bello, as governor, yes, he contested the primaries against you. There are so many people, but after the primaries, he stood by you.